We have started business in the year 2008 with global brand, and this year we have completed now 12 years of business. Oh, there is huge difference, because when we started off, it was very difficult situation, and nobody knew Brother in the market. Brother was well known in Bangladesh for industrial sewing machine, because garment factory is using, but nobody knew Brother as IT product. So it was very tough job, especially for me in the first 3 years. And from that stage today, of course, there is huge difference, and Brother now today already in the top 3 brands in the market. So it is really a lot of hard work from our partner and from our team to bring us to this level. Worldwide, it is difficult to say. We have around 40 sales offices around the world, our own sales offices in 40 countries. And I can speak for my own office in Dubai, we are covering 30 countries across Middle East, Africa and South Asia. In South Asia, we are covering Bangladesh, Nepal and Pakistan. And in my region, I have around 65 distributors, out of which one is global brand. Yeah. Okay, for this year particularly, our main new product we are launching is ink tank product in A3 size. That is something new, which we are bringing for the first time. And the main benefit for this product, the way we see it, is to bring A3 technology, which is required by copier customers or copier user, to a very affordable cost in terms of running cost and energy and space saving option. Yes. Well, Reliance is as of today 2019 is our biggest customer in Bangladesh, and I have visited your stores. The stores are very high standard and very let's say the display of the products is very well done. And so far for Brother, Reliance has been one of our first supporters in Bangladesh, if I'm not mistaken. So we have a very long history with you, definitely 5 years plus. And so far we are happy. You are our biggest customer and we would like to grow to the next level with you. Okay, worldwide it's difficult to say, because product depends on the region. So different region has different product. In Bangladesh currently our best selling product is our ink tank printer, Brother Color Inkjet ink tank printer. And the main advantage of this product is that it brings affordable printing at very low cost per page to the users in Bangladesh. So one challenge in Bangladesh is that the customers, for example, the per capita income is still low compared to many other countries. So customer is looking for value for money. So ink tank is really the product that can bring convenience, quality printing and value for money to customers in Bangladesh. Okay, the way we see it is a customer for Brother would be anyone who has even a simple knowledge about technology, or who is looking to improve his the organization or enhance his business, enhance his daily life. And Brother is very famous worldwide for supporting small business. So we are known as a brand that is very popular among small and medium business. So that is always our key customer, and any customer who wish to start a small business or is doing a small business is really a customer that we would like to support. Okay, so in terms of warranty and customer support, we are basically relying on global brand, which is our distributor in Bangladesh. And what is unique, I would say, about our warranty is that, okay, in the sense we can say that we offer currently 1 year warranty, and depending on the customer's requirement, if the customer need 3 years warranty, we can offer 3 years warranty. But we aim to have a simple warranty which is comprehensive and easy to understand by the customer. Our failure rate worldwide is less than 1%. So out of 100 machines that we sell, less than 1 machine experience any failure. So as long as customer use genuine consumables, we don't expect any problem to happen in our machines. But in case it happens, our distributor will support through their network of service center in Bangladesh. Okay, marketing currently we have been focusing on 3 main areas. We have been working on dealer display, in the market. We have been doing billboards. We have been doing, for example, road shows and seminars. However, going from 2019, we started TV advertising for the first time, and our response, particularly outside of Dhaka, is I believe very good. What we understand is people outside Dhaka are still watching TV and especially news, and we got a very good response. Second, we will also focus very much on digital marketing starting from this year, particularly social media like Facebook or Instagram. So in this country, still Instagram not so popular, but in other countries, our region, Instagram very popular now. But we focus mainly on Facebook and LinkedIn from this year.